Hey guys, so now we're going to look at some different type of ratio problem. Not really sure what to call these, but they have a distinctive pattern. So first thing we're going to do is write out the information. So we have red to purple, and we have purple to orange. So we have the same variable given twice. So what we want to do is multiply. So these numbers become the same and we can just write P once. So if I times the left-hand side by 3 and the right-hand side by 5, then I would achieve that goal. So we end up with red to purple is 12 to 15, and purple to orange is 15 to 5. Therefore, red to purple to orange must be 12 to 15 to 5. So work out the number of red pencils, it'd be 12. So with questions like this, we're always going to use that technique to answer it. So I said winky face because look, there's 50 oranges. So that's the ratio. So now I can times by 10. So I'm not sure whose pencil case this is, but they have 120 red. Yeah, so this is always the technique we're going to use, yeah? So we try and put the letter that appears twice next to each other. So pause it and give it a go yourself. Welcome back. So we have red to purple, 3 to 2. Purple to orange, 5 to 2. So now we're going to times these numbers by 5. And that will give us 15 to 10. If we times the other numbers by 2, we're going to get 10 to 4. So this is the same. So we don't have to write it twice anymore. Now we can answer the question. So we're told we have 16 orange. We times by 4, we get 16. So we have to times all these numbers by 4. Work out the number of red marbles, 60. Done. Right, one more for luck. Trophy. Got another trophy in the cabinet. So red to green, 2 to 1. Green to blue, also 2 to 1. So if we double these numbers, 4 to 2 to 2 to 1. So red to green to blue is 4 to 2 to 1. Now I can read the question. There are 10 blue. Work out the number of red. So I just times by 10. I times by 10. I've got 10 blue and 40 red. Perfect. I hope that makes sense. See you later. So I don't know how I'm going to edit this video, but showing you how to use Dr. Frost usefully. So now we can get one step harder. We want to find the ratio of B to D. Same principle. A to B to C, 7 to 2 to 1. And then we've got C to D to E is 7 to 2 to 3. So we want these numbers to be the same. So we've got times this side by 7. So we've got 49 to 14 to 7 to 7 to 2 to 3. So A to B to C to D to E is 49, 14 to 7 to 2 to 3. So what is the ratio of B to D? 14 to 2. which we can halve to 7 to 1. Next, one more. And I encourage you to pause the video at this point and then give it a go yourself. C to D to E, 6 to 6 to 7. So we need to times this side, the left-hand side, by 6. So 6 to 30 to 6 is 6 to 6 to 7. So what we have is A to B to C to D to E is 6 to 30 to 6, and a 6 and a 7. So we want B to E. In its simplest form will stay 30 to 7. Boom. I hope that made sense to you. I'll have one more video on ratio where we just look at some hard questions. See you later, guys.